Hello, this is Gail Davis, Horizon Hill Crafts. I'm here to show you my latest creation, the beautiful blue Victorian junk journal. This is the largest journal that I have ever made. She's big, she's chunky, and she's full of all kinds of journal ephemera and creations. The journal has 2 signatures, 128 pages, has a writing board, hidden pockets, belly bands, hidden paper clips, and lots of tags and journal cards. The cover is made with Amazon packaging and fabric covered. Measures 11 inches high and 7 inches wide with a 2-inch spine. And let's take a look at the inside. A little bit of charms on the bottom here. But like I said, she is big. And she's crinkly. Alright, so the inside cover, we have some lace here, made a pocket, and then I made this stuffed envelope. Oh, I forgot to mention, I used several kits from Line.Arrow to make the journal, and there's a few odds and end pieces I threw in from my own stash. But this is a stuffed pocket I made, and it's got all kinds of things inside of it. That's the backing. Collaged on the back of that. And inside you have a tag. I won't go through and name everything. I'll just show you all the things that I put in it. Okay, this page, I made a vellum mailbox slot page. So vellum here, it's decorated on the front. It's got some little yellow flower brads at the top. And inside is an envelope that I made. And that has a piece of paper for writing. Then we have some mamagami paper. There's lots of YouTube videos on how to make that kind of paper. Pretty image. Some ledger paper. This page, has a acetate window double pocket. Made some tags to go in it. I believe this video is going to be 2 parts because my camera only records for 20 minutes, and there's a lot of stuff in this journal. Then we have a large journal tag, journal card, that goes behind the 2 windows. I love this sari, not sari silk, but yeah, there's sari silk. It's got polka dots on it. Cute. All right, writing page, paper doily, graph paper. Alright, this page has a belly band. Actually, it's a belly band with multiple pockets. Okay, so here's your belly band. Then we have this double little pocket here. And then we have another little pocket here. And then we have another pocket here, which some of the bigger cards go in the back section. I shouldn't have done that wrong. This way. And the top layer of the belly band is a piece of vellum. Those two go in there. They all have ball pens with different charms on them. And then the two bigger cards go in that back section. I really thought that was a cool idea. Okay, and on the back side, we have a pocket and a tag. And then I made this little notepad. This little corner can be folded up. Excuse me. Then we have another pocket, some tags. Book plate, another beautiful collaged image. Then we have another pocket. And I made this dainty, scrappy pad of paper. And I just put some vintage buttons, some scrap strings and fabrics, paper doily, stamped on the doily. Inked it. It just fits in the pocket. An old book page from an 1800s book that I have. Here we have a hidden paper clip. Partially hidden paper clip. It's got a pocket and a couple of little miniature tags. Lots of writing space. Old book page, 1800s again. Little cabinet pocket. Some miniatures. More writing space. It's the middle of the first signature. Then we have a butterfly charm and a little enamel birdie. And then on this page, I did a staggered mini pocket. So we got some little tickets, some miniature tags, and a miniature journal card. Another book page. corner tuck with a large tag. More writing spot, another corner tuck. Here's another paper clip, altered paper clip. That's a pocket, double pocket. We have a couple of little tags in here. A ticket and a tag on the top. The other side of that old book page. Then we get some miniature pockets. Another beautiful collage page. Corner tuck with a pocket. Little birdie tuck spot with some tags. Flip out page. Other side of that, ledger paper. Another nice image. I put some lace page edging. We got a vintage photo. And it's a little journaling spot. It's a little acetate butterfly. Shiny sticker. More mamagami paper. Another piece of mamagami. Alright, and that's signature number 1. So signature number 2, I didn't put anything on the cover. I thought this was just so pretty the way it was. Pocket with some tags. I did some scallop corners. Another collage page. And we have a pocket. And I made this hidden journaling spot tag. Pulls up. You put it back in. And fits into this pocket there. The other side of another paper doily. Here's a little, so over the page edge. It's collaged. On the other side, 2 cards. More writing space. This page, I've added this die cut butterfly. It's got a little bit of sparkles on. Oh yeah, you can see it. I just thought it was a cute addition and the color matched. Alright, and we have ID card and a tag. Some little Dutch photos. Another pocket with some vintage lace. And we got a coin envelope. And it's got a bunch of things in it. We have another altered paper clip, double pocket again. Another teacup, piece of vellum I printed on. Then we have another fold around pocket with an index card. Other side, same thing. Another page edge with that lace. Middle of the second signature, we have a heart with a keyhole and a little key. Flower vase with a large tag. The other side of that printed vellum, and I tore the edges. And I made another side paper clip that's made with some fabric, different types of fabric, and it's got pockets. A pocket here with a picture. And we've got another Dutch photo here. And in the back section, got another photo here. And this just slides onto the side of the page. Another Dutch photo. Another old 1800s page. Another mini pocket with some tags. This page I thought was kind of cool. It's a pocket page, but it also has a door. And I put some miniature vintage buttons on it. And you open up the doors. And you've got some flower vases. Put some blue tulle with an old advertisement above it. And inside the pocket is a large journal card for writing. Okay, we're going to stop because the camera's going to run out, and we'll start part 2 in a second.